Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Simran and I'm hoping that you have subscribed my channel. If you haven't, then go and hit that subscribe button. So today we will be learning how to make floral watercolor bookmarks. Painting them is really easy, and for painting these, very basic stationery is required. And you can use them in your reading books, your course books, or maybe you can use them in your project files. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as we are making the bookmarks, I have already cut these two rectangular bookmarks. Okay, you also have to cut like this. If you don't want to make the edges like this, you can go for straight. Okay, and then you just have to do one hole here and you can just add one ribbon. Okay, it's that easy. You can use these in your books, or maybe you can use them in your projects. So let's begin. Yes, first I will be drawing the colorful book. Okay, for this you just need one pencil, eraser. Okay, and after that, once your sketch is ready, then you need your colors to fill the colors in. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so our sketch is ready, and now we will just going to color it. Now it is up to you that whether you wanted to use sketch pens, pencil colors, crayons, oil pastels, or watercolors. Okay, I'll be using both. You can also use both of them. Okay, at the end we're going to give it a finishing touch by adding a simple black outline. Okay, so let's begin. I'll be using the watercolor first in the flowers. I'll be coloring them with two different colors. Okay, maybe okay, I'm going to paint it red, and the other I'm going to paint it crimson. Okay, let's begin. Flowers are done. You can see we have colored them. In case the coloring is not perfect at the edges, it's alright, as we're going to do the outlining with black sketch pen, so it will all going to be hidden. So don't worry if you have the edges are not very neatly done. Okay, so that's not a problem. That will be hidden by the black sketch pen. Okay, so now the leaves. Our leaves are left. For leaves, I'm going to use green, dark green and light green sketch pen. Okay. Okay, first I'm using dark green, and after that I'll be using light green. In some leaves, just do the dark green. Okay, you can also use fluorescent color.
also in these leaves we'll be doing black color only. There you go, your very own simple and easy and beautiful looking bookmark is ready. You can use this in any of your book. Like here I have one book of mine. I'll be using this here. See, I hope you have liked the video, and I am hoping that you have learned something new today. So if you have liked and you have learned something new, make sure that you like the video.